Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove device backup from GoogleOne. So go ahead to storage at the bottom middle, right? And as you can see right here, the sync data, which is iPhone. If you already synced your data, you're gonna be able to view settings, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna disable the syncing process, right? So whatever photo, contacts, calendars you have will not be synced on GoogleOne. Next, if you have already synced data, right, you're gonna go ahead and hit clean up account storage, right? And they're gonna show if GoogleOne, or if you have already like videos, calendars, whatever stored in GoogleOne, and you're gonna be able to delete them inside here, right? So as you can see right here, the cleanup suggestions. Google Drive takes a lot, a lot of storage. Files and trash also takes a lot of storage. Spam emails and trash. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead to the emails and trash, for example, and we're gonna select them all and hit delete at the top, right? And you're gonna do this with every Google platform, like Google Drive, Calendar, whatever. They're gonna be shown right here, including, of course, the photos or any synced data from your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.